Hi, welcome to this presentation. Would it be interesting to earn on your purchases as well as of your guests? If somebody asked you a question, what will be your answer? Definitely a yes. Who doesn't want to save on their purchases and who doesn't want to earn on the purchases of their guests? Today we are going to cover four topics: customer acquisition, clientele retention, affiliate marketing, and residual income. So here we have a global platform from this company which is bringing together two communities on one global platform. Who are these two communities? One being consumers and the next one is the businesses. So we'll look into each one of them, what they are looking for. Consumers always look for sales, discounts, great deals, promotions, because we always like to save something on our purchases. At the same time, we have the other community which has two issues. These two issues of all businesses, the first one being daily flow of new customers, because no one is a customer for every day for every business. Example, if you are going out for a dinner every weekend with your family, you're going to try different restaurants. You're not going to go every weekend to the same restaurant. So same way it happens in every business. Second issue of all businesses is client retention. Now you have clients, but what you would do to maintain, to retain those clients? So this is where comes in the advertising, the publicity industry. It has become so huge business, but no advertising industry, no advertising company guarantees you flow of customers. No, if you are going to advertise your products or your services in any newspaper, magazine, they'll just show you the statistics of their readership. If you are going to announce your products or services on a radio station, they are going to tell you these programs are being heard by so many people in so much radius. Same thing with the TV channels and the satellites. So nobody will give you a guarantee that because you are placing a commercial with us, so many customers are going to land in your business the next day. Okay. So now, what is the solution? No need to worry. The solution is already there. Let us see in form of this great company, R Network. Welcome to R Network, participation marketplace where every member wins. Let us see what it's about, all this. So our vision is a revolutionary financial movement that is shifting the power and profits from big businesses to the individuals. Because so far, all businesses, they just go on amassing profits for themselves. They never share. But first time in the history of world business, this is going to happen. That is why it's revolutionary. And through the power of the network, we are able to leverage exclusive savings and drive greater income for all who wish to participate. Okay. The main word here is network, the power of the network. So the bigger we get, the better it gets. This is the power of the network. So welcome to our network, a place where the power is shifted back to the individual, where money traditionally captured by big businesses and banks is now being enjoyed by members just like you. Okay, who are these genius guys behind this project? So we'll talk a little bit about our executives and founders of our network. We have Mr. Richard Smith, our president, Troy Mulston, our CEO, Trent Walker, Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Kevin Wiscombe, CRO, Mr. Roger Taylor, Chief Marketing Officer. The company has three guiding principles. The first one being find out where the world is going and get there first. Secondly, make more than you spend. Always have more money in your pockets than you spend. And the third one, being my favorite, lose your life in the betterment of others. Nothing like it. The more we help more people, the more satisfaction internally we'll receive. Money is not everything. Here we have the slide about our CEO, Mr. Trent Walker. Trent is a highly experienced, successful, and well regarded business leader who has been referred to as a leading payment expert by the Wall Street Journal. He brings in 15 plus years of multifaceted experience from startup to operational scale in finance and fintech. He has worked for some of the largest technology companies in the world, including Google and Facebook. He is a dynamic and inspirational leader whose combination of organization, team leadership, experience, drive, and culture makes him an ideal fit as the CEO of our network. Then we have our R executive team, which is headed by some of our founders, and then they are accompanied by Luke Epps, Dave Dove, Neil Rathinger, John McCliff, Johnson Mack. All these details you can get in PDF from the person who has invited you or has sent you this video presentation. You can ask him anytime. Then we have our advisory board, which is also headed by two of our creators, Mr. Roger Taylor as the chairman, Kevin Viscombe, and they are accompanied by Gary Bender and William Fleury III. Our network corporate office is located in the beautiful Provo, Utah at the base of the Wasatch Mountains. Welcome to our network, a place where the power is shifted back to the individual, where money traditionally captured by big businesses and banks is now being enjoyed by our members. And this is some of the view on the inside of our corporate office, and also there's a link of YouTube where you can view the video of the office inside. This is the certificate from the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Recently, our network India Private Limited has been incorporated in India. Okay, here we go. The evolution of business. Find out where the world is going and get there first. Our first guiding principle. So in 1980s, we saw computers coming in this world, where we saw companies like IBM, Apple, Microsoft arising. Then in 1990s, we saw the birth of internet, where we saw companies like Yahoo, America Online, Google. Then in 2000s came in social media, where we saw Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. Then in 2010 started the marketplace, where we have Amazon, Costco, Uber, and now we are in 2020, where our network is being born, a next generation participation marketplace platform. Imagine if you could participate in some of the largest industries, like smartphone industry, which is $1.5 billion volume a year. Used and new car industry, which is $350 billion a year. The travel industry is $7.6 trillion a year. The banking industry is $18 trillion a year. The mortgage, home loans industry is $1.3 trillion a year. The pharmaceutical industry, prescriptions and medications, is $1.2 trillion a year. Just imagine if you could participate in these industries. Let us see how. So let us talk about the loyalty. How is loyalty created within a marketplace? We'll see here two examples and we'll see what our network is doing. Amazon, they give their clients, their customers, a great deal and a convenient experience. People go online, buy whatever they like, pay online, then get the delivery, domicile delivery. Like eBets, they share the profits. And our network has merged both the concepts, and our network is offering both the benefits to their members. So basically, our network has created a savings ecosystem like our mortgage, our mobile, our perks, our autos, our meds, where is also included our wits, our travel, and the fintech sector, our network bank. So earlier we spoke about imagining of participating in these six big industries, and on the right hand side you see we have already created concierge services to give out these services, these benefits to our members. So our network is a participation marketplace where you find all big brands like you can see in the screen, and these brands are available on our global mall, our global mall. Also in this our retail market we have two sections, our perks and our global mall. This is where you can see how the commissions are paid in our global mall. I won't go into details. Later on you can just check it out with the person who has given this video, and you can get a PDF on this. Basically, we purchase anything from our global mall, the company not only gets us benefits in our purchases, but it also shares its revenue. So below is the example of a $100 purchase with 10% TCR, which is being paid by these shops to our network. So what the our network does is 25% rebate is given to the purchasers, that is in this example $2.50, and the remaining 75% is shared in the TBS. We'll see later on how this TBS works. So basically the company is distributing intelligently the entire revenue among all the members. Then we have the R travel market. We have right now Travel Club, our exclusive hotel booking portal, offers better than wholesale rates not available to the general public. It's exclusive for us. You have access to exclusive savings on all of your hotel and vacation bookings throughout the world. Then we have in our home business service market, our mobile, our autos, and very soon we are coming out with our security. Then we have the our medical market, where we have you can get a prescription card to help you save money on your medication. Simply present the card to the pharmacist and they will add the discounts to your pharmacy profile, your prescription discount card as well as your pets discount card. These services currently are only available in the US. Later on, slowly the company will start bringing and implementing these concierge services in different countries including India. Then we are coming up with our financial market very soon, in which we have bank coming in this year, our network bank, which offers all of the traditional banking services. Then we have right now mortgage services in the US and Canada, and we are coming up very soon next week with the financial academy. Okay, coming back to India, what role is going to play our network in India? Currently, we saw in the month of May, our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, he gave us the mantra that it's high time India goes vocal for local and then goes for global. As well as one of his dreams is to make India a cashless economy. So definitely our network is going to play a huge role in this. Our network already is creating a network. So we are having a vocal and we are going to bring local businesses on our platforms. So these businesses will be used by our members. Okay. And already since these businesses will be on our platform of our network, automatically they have a presence globally, which means all 40 plus countries can access to these companies which will be on our platform. So again, the power is in the network. The network is the backbone of our network. Without network, we are nothing. So we are today in 45 countries. Like in North America, we are in these countries, then we are in Latin America, in these countries, we are in the European Union in all these 17, 18 countries, plus we are in the Caribbean islands, we are in Australia, New Zealand, Nigeria, Kenya, West Africa, we are in Asia and India, Philippines. So currently we are open to all these countries where we can sign up people. Well, the company works in this way, 3 phases. Okay, the bigger our network gets, the more leverage we have to walk into any business or service all over the world to negotiate exclusive savings and revenue sharing for our members. Definitely, if we take to a shop or any business and we show them we have so many members, which business will decline our proposal? None. So the company works in this way. In the phase 1, they work on relationship. Our network starts out with a relationship with a merchant and sends them new customers. Members receive discounts and in some cases, commissions are paid into the compensation. Then we move on to the second phase, which is direct. So here the merchants realize how many customers our network can send them and they work with them more directly. In many cases, this increases discounts, benefits and potential commissions to our network members. Then finally, the goal of the company is to get all these services into the third phase, which is the ownership phase. Our network owns some of the companies, which allows them to offer members even bigger discounts and larger commissions paid to their members. So why are people participating? People are coming to our network because we are uniquely positioned to disrupt the advertising and online marketplaces for products and services. What other companies, what other projects have not given the benefits which the customers deserve, we have realized that, and we are bringing this platform and we are going to involve all our customers to participate and make money as well as get benefits in their daily purchases. So remember, we make it easy: save, share and earn. Now the big question, so how do I earn money with our network? Let us see how this happens. So there are 2 ways you can join our network: as a fan or as a charter member. Fan member is actually a financially affluent network nominee, which means a person who just wants to get the benefits. He can just register for free and utilize our services available to him depending on each country. Then later on he can also upgrade himself to a charter member. Charter member is a person who not only wants to get benefits from the company but also wants to make money by inviting people he knows. So you become a fan first of all. If you are looking to save money on some of life's largest purchase decisions and experience some of the benefits of the network, the no cost fan option is the choice for you. It's totally free. You have limited access to suite of products and services. So be a fan, enjoy benefits from most of our available products and services. It's 100% free. Like you see on the right hand side, right now all these services are available in the US. The only service for fans available globally in all these 45 countries is the R Global Mall, which we already saw earlier. So here at our network, we don't sell, we share savings, we make more than we spend and we stack commissions. So join as a charter member if you think you can bring in people into the network. So to become a charter member in India, the monthly subscription is of $60. Sign 3 charter members and earn bonus of $60, which is the Power 3 bonus. With this, you become free with 3. That means from paying out of the pockets every month, you don't have to pay anymore. Now every month you are keeping yourself active, which says below must maintain 3 PAN charter members always active. That means your 3 direct charter members should be always active every month, so that you can earn the bonus of Power 3, and with this you can keep paying your next month. How easy is that? So again, we see in this slide, become a charter member, pay your monthly subscription of $60 plus the GST, which is applicable in India. Enjoy all products and services from our network, exclusive benefit of earnings for connecting people in our network participation marketplace. And on the right hand side, as you can see, the global mall is available to charter members as well as like it's available to the fans. But apart of it, we here have something exclusive, which is the commissions, which is exclusively for charter members. Plus in the US currently they also have this service of R Perks, where they get discounts in lot of stores, restaurants, spas. Plus you get our travel platform. In a while we'll see in detail the our travel platform. Okay, what is included in my charter member subscription? First of all, you get a advanced dashboard, and the main product of our company is money. Okay, so everybody who's joining our network is joining because he or she wants to make money, wants to save money. So this is our main product. Then if you are a fan, you're getting the global mall, and if you are a charter member, also you're getting a global mall. This is how you will see the portal of a global mall, which is categorized with different products. And if you are a charter member, you're getting the our travel service, where you can have all these benefits of hotels, car rentals, cruises and group travel bookings. As a fan, we share savings. We invite everybody to join as a fan at least. Later on, if they see they can also invite, then they can also start upgrading themselves to a charter member. Like we saw earlier, that we don't sell, we share savings, we make more than we spend, and we stack commissions. The Power 3 bonus is when you bring in 3 charter members, and if they keep themselves active every month, you get a Power 3 bonus of $60, and this $60 bonus helps you to pay your next month activation. This way you don't touch your pockets anymore. Not only that, even when you become Power 3 qualified, the company also unblocks all your 10 levels of your TBS, that is a team building structure. Well, the team building structure, which is called TBS, it's a 3x10 team building structure composed of 3 teams and 10 tiers. Tiers is actually levels. In the US we call them tiers. When you achieve your Power 3 rank, you unlocked all 10 tiers. You will earn a minimum of $2 for every active person in your network. The best part is whether you enroll them or not. Here we will see how the TBS works. This is you. Now you bring in your 3, so the system places them from left to right. And upon bringing 3 people, you are Power 3 qualified. Now they too will do the same thing, so the system will now place all these 9 people from right to left. And likewise, this is how will grow your network, your TBS, 3, 9, 27, 81 to 43 and so on. So now here we'll see one example. This person, this charter member, okay, how he is helping you stack commissions. Because he's a active charter member, you are making $2 on his subscription. Then let us say he is in the US, and because he's using our mobile service, he made you $1 commission. Also in the R Autos, he made you $4 commission. Then he purchased some products under R Perks or R Global Mall, and he made these commissions as well. So basically this guy, he made you $7.40 this month. But this guy has also invited 3 fans. So now these 3 fans are also using these services. So they are also generating you $1 in R Mobile, 3 in R Autos. They are buying something from the Global Mall, R Perks, and the fans generated $4.60. So it's a total $12 from this guy. So just imagine if this person made you $12, maybe some other person made you $9, $10, $3. There is no limit on earning money in our network. Each person which we see in our network is actually a business center. This is a clear vision of the earlier slide. This is how Anna generated you the staking commissions, their fans also, the $12. So with the addition of fans, every position in the TBS could have unlimited earning potential. As more products come into our participation marketplace and people choose to purchase these products, more revenues are shared with the charter members of our network. Okay, now we'll see one projection here, but again I would like to make clear it varies from charter member to charter member depending on their efforts. Okay, earnings potential in our network, just an estimated projection, may vary from person to person. So in this table I have prepared, we have in the first column the tiers. So we have here total 10 tiers. On this side we have charter members. On each level we have 3 charter members. On the second level we have 9, 27, 81 and so on. In total we have 88,572 charter members. Then in the total we have, here I have placed the total of the earlier levels with the current level. So if on the second level I want to see, I have total 12 charter members, 3 on the first, 9 on the second. On the 5th level I have 363 charter members. That means I have 243 plus 120, which is the earlier 4 tiers, and so on. Then I have placed here the residual as a charter member we are earning from all these members. So the total of all these 10 levels is a whooping $177,144 every month. So here we have the total of each level with the earlier ones. Then in this column I have placed the charter members doing their purchases on a monthly basis. And just an example, in the last slide we saw that Anna was giving us staking commissions of $12, but I'm just taking very conservative figure of $1. Let us see what happens with just $1 which is being generated in purchases of our TBS of charter members. Plus in this column I have placed that every charter member here has invited 3 fans. So in total we have the these much fans, which is nearly 400,000 fans. So now considering these fans are also purchasing every month something or other, and they are generating us just $1. So in the last column I have grand total of residual and both the commissions, which gives me a whooping total of $664,245 per month. Here is the monthly estimated earning summary. In residual you are making $177,144. In the charter members purchase commissions, $88,572 based on $1 commission. The fans also based on the same commission, you are making $398,529 with a grand total of $664,245 per month. So now here we have 2 variables. The first variable is the purchases which is being realized by every charter member and every fan every month. And the another big variable is the fans, how many fans each charter member is inviting. So with these figures growing, you just know what will happen with the grand total. So again we'll see how the TBS works. So this is you in the golden color, and on the right hand side you see the bluish color, that is the reference referred by others. So it's a team building structure of 3 into 10. Everybody has 3 positions below him or her. So here you have your first 3 people. They were placed from left to right. Then you have these 3 people also having their own 3 positions. The first guy, he invited his first 2 people. These 2 guys have invited their first people, and in the meantime they are bringing in their balanced charter members. You brought in some more people, and this is what we call spillover. Spillover is nothing but just a systematic way of placement of charter members in the TBS. So if anybody who is bringing more than 3 people, 3 charter members, the system will automatically go on placing in spillover those charter members in the next available space. So all charter members in spillover are placed from left to right and from right to left, and always they will go from top to bottom. So it's a 3D placement of charter members. All odd levels 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, they'll always go from left to right. All even levels like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, they will go from right towards left. So it's an equal distribution of spillover. So this is how it will go on filling. You brought now the 7th person, the 8th person, it filled up your second level. Now this is how the entire TBS will start filling up, and sequentially it goes in like this way, and finally you have 88,572 charter members in your own TBS. So here there is a promotion going on for this month, that is July 2020, July 31st. If anybody who brings in 10 charter members, okay, they will be getting some stocks from the company, for which you can check your details with your uplines or the person who invited you to this presentation. Like we said, we own a bank, our network bank. It's an FDIC insured bank offering all of the traditional banking services including checking and savings accounts, debit cards, bill pay, consumer loans and mortgages. This is how we'll be getting soon a Visa debit card. The bank is only situated in the US, nowhere else. This is how the bank is protected with the FDIC cover, which is the insurance cover given by the US government. You can check the details on this slide later on. The FDIC, a Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, is an independent agency of the United States government that protects you against the loss of your insured deposits if an FDIC insured bank or savings association fails. FDIC insurance is backed by the full faith and credit of the United States government. So this gives lot of credibility to a bank, and it gives lot of confidence to a person who wants to deposit his or her money in a bank which is sponsored, which is insured by the FDIC. So this is how we'll be getting an ATM card. Remember, we spoke about the 6 industries, and banking is the industry which has the highest volume, that is $18 trillion per year. And this year our network is coming up with its own bank, our network bank. The details will be sent later on when we are ready to launch. So basically, we are in more than 40 plus countries. You can live almost anywhere in the world and make money when people worldwide pay their memberships to access our travel. That means they become charter members. And when people in the USA use the concierge services like the R-Meds, R-Mobiles, and the Rev card for their purchases, you now have a truly global opportunity. What makes our network different? Actually, there are 5 things which make our network different. I have listed here only 4. The first one is earn money when others save money. So when people we invite to come to our network and start receiving benefits, when they see the savings, definitely we are also making money. Secondly, we do not sell anything. No product selling in our company. Thirdly, earn commissions on the purchases of your TVS in the participation marketplace, like we saw in the earlier slides, how by participating in this marketplace we are going to make commissions. The fourth reason being no stocking of inventories, like most of the MLM companies where people have to buy bunch of products and keep them, stock them at home or their office and then start selling them. So here, since we don't have any sales, we don't sell anything, no stocking of inventories. And the fifth reason, which for me is the most important reason, we are the only company in the world in the network marketing industry which pays its members to build the structure. No other company does that. Any product based company, if people stop buying the products or if people stop selling products or both, nobody is going to make money, neither the company, neither the people associated in that company. But here in our network, the new countries which are being opened up, which are being launched, including India, we are making money of $2 per person, per charter member whom we are presenting this concept. We are bringing them aboard our network platform. So this is the most important feature, most important benefit in this company, our network, which makes us totally exclusive, totally unique in the world compared to any other company in any country. So like we saw, in this year we are bringing in products and services. We are also launching an IPO, initial public offering, at NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, NYSE. Like we saw that bank is being launched this year very soon. Ability to get on paid swipes on the debit Visa card, which will be getting soon. International products are being launched. Global name brand shopping portal is also coming. Apart of all this, the company has an excellent system support where you can learn how to get started, how to use the social media. We have trainings on personal development, how to recruit, how to explain a business plan, the compensation plan, as well as in your back office as a charter member. You have all these features, all these tools which are going to help you. Like you have this overview where you have videos, very short videos which you can view and also share. You can share here a lot of information. You have here a lot of information to learn. You have here all the information on the corporate calls. We have online marketing store where you can buy banners, visiting cards, etc., etc. We have marketing central where you will find a lot of presentations, videos which you can share with your prospects. Then you have the PDF documents under this tab. Then we have recommend product section where you can fill up a form and recommend a business to our company for them to negotiate and bring them aboard our global mall or concierge services or both. And then here you have the calendar where you can synchronize this calendar with your Outlook or with your Gmail, and you can get alarms of all the corporate calls or webinars which the company conducts from day to day basis. Then we have support on Facebook group, which is the RISE group, where you can have trainings, where you can get the updates. You also have the quick start guide, which is the learn, share, earn, which you get when you sign up as a charter member. You get in your email with a welcome letter. Also, we have the support website. Then we have an excellent 7-day boost. Learn and replicate the R Network success formula in 7 days. Start earning while saving today. Earn, share and learn. Once you do this 7-day boost, you are a master in R Network business. All companies go through 3 phases: formulation, momentum, stabilization. So people who join a company at the ground level, which is the formulation level, are most likely to profit from the tremendous growth that occurs during the momentum. So after formulation comes momentum. So this is where the critical mass is built up. So just imagine we are here right now in formulation. So invite as many people you want to and build your critical mass in the coming stage of momentum. This is where fortunes are made. Well, coming to the end, R Network gives us financial freedom in the truest sense. We have been hearing this since so long in so many businesses, so many companies, financial freedom, but right now we understand that in these companies, product-based companies, if people stop buying, people stop selling, there won't be any freedom, least the financial freedom. But in our network, since we are being paid to build the structure, to build the network, we have the financial freedom in the truest sense. So again, memorizing our network, we are in the participation marketplace. Our vision is we are a participation marketplace that is creating a revolutionary financial movement that is shifting the power and profits from big businesses to the individuals. Through the power of the network, we are able to leverage exclusive savings and drive greater income for all who wish to participate. So thank you very much. Thank you for listening to this video, viewing this video. I hope a lot of your questions have been answered. Still, if you have any questions, you can always contact your sponsors. You can always contact the person who has shared this video with you. So thanks a lot. All the best. See you aboard very soon. The power is in the network, our network.